If you guys want to learn how to use Amazon brands sponsored video ads to help you grow your business, then keep on watching. Hi guys, if you're new here, this is Farah. I am a seller. I am in New York, and the reason I'm here is I'm attending Amazon Ads Unboxed conference, and I came across some wonderful new features that Amazon is bringing out, and so I wanted to share them with you in today's video. Did you guys know that you as a small business owner can use sponsored brands video ads to really help customer visualize your product through a video ad and help them see the product and its lifestyle use, just like big brands? And these ads are so accessible to you, and it's just like the big budget brands do it, but you can do it also as a small business owner. And this is what I wanted to share with you. And I love the new features that Amazon is bringing out to make this accessible to all the advertisers on Amazon, no matter the size of the company. So let's get into details and let's discuss all the new features. I love the way that Amazon has really understood the biggest pain point advertisers have, especially small business owners, the roadblock to creating high quality engaging video ad for their products. And usually it can cost a lot, and small businesses don't have the budget for it, and this is the biggest pain point in them starting to use sponsored brands video ads. But this is what Amazon has done. They have brought out some wonderful solutions for small businesses so they can access this feature and really bring their products to life for the customers who are looking for those products on Amazon. So before we get into the nitty-gritty of the features and I explain all that to you, I just want to highlight that you need to be registered for advertising on Amazon and have an active seller or vendor account. And be sure to register to Amazon Brand Registry too. There's no cost to it, and it will open up these options to you, and you can access all these features at no additional cost. So let's talk about these ad solutions now. So the first one I want to point out is the self-service asset creation solution. I know it's a long name, but what it really means is Amazon is going to use your images, your imagery, your product detail page, and using generative AI, they're going to create a lovely video for you. And there are different templates you can use. You can have multiple revisions, and it's all driven by generative AI, which was one of the bigger announcements at the conference, and a really exciting one too. So as I said, you can have multiple revisions, you can use different templates, and you can really test different messaging, call to actions. You can also create different video assets for different seasons. So if you wanted to target like back to school or Christmas, you could create video assets with that at no additional cost, and it's all available in your ad console. So how amazing is that? Amazon has taken away that a roadblock into creating the asset, and you can use these assets to then create a sponsored brands video ads to really showcase your product and show different lifestyle uses of that product, for a gifting season or back to school and things like that. And I absolutely love this feature because this was beyond the reach of smaller advertisers, smaller sellers, and with this feature it becomes accessible to us. And you can run campaigns, sponsored brands video campaigns at the budget that suits you. So definitely check this out, and I am sure it's going to be a game changer for your business and help you reach new customers and really connect with them. This will really help you build the awareness of your brand and your mission, your product, and you can use it for new product launches and really show customers the product in its full glory, highlights its uses, and really connect with the customer. Amazon has taken this another step further, and there is another feature that was announced at the conference which I absolutely loved, was added value video offers. So basically what Amazon will do is they will create a one-time asset for you, a video asset for you, and they will help you create a high quality brand building video asset, which you can then use to run a sponsored brands video ad. So this is really cool, and I just love how Amazon is making this more accessible and affordable to brand owners, especially small business owners who don't have the budget to support high quality production. They will help you create this video, and it's at no additional cost to you. So this is really cool, and you could use this to really get your brand's name out there, build awareness, and really get the message out there. And it's the upper funnel level stuff that small businesses really don't have the budget for, and Amazon is making it available for you. So make sure you guys reach out to your ad representative and advertising representative, and find out that if it's available in your local marketplace. So I want to finish this off by saying that not having a video asset is not a blocker. Amazon has made solutions available to you, so make sure you reach out and explore and use them, so that you can be the first of the advertisers who use this in your category. And I'm sure early adopters always will benefit more, and will see better results. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is, remember to follow the best practices and make sure your video is simple, memorable, and good quality, and it highlights your product and highlights your brand's core values, so that customer can really remember who you are and really connect with your brand. So I love all of these different features that Amazon has made available for the small business and made it accessible. Follow or subscribe for more content and tips around Amazon ads and selling on Amazon. I'll see you next time. Bye.